In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download large files from Google Drive without zipping. Fix Today here, let's begin. If you're tired of getting multiple zip files and extracting them one by one, this method will save you a lot of time and effort. To get started, open your web browser and search for Google Drive for desktop. This is an official app that lets you access your Drive files directly from your computer without downloading them as zip files. Click the official Google download link and choose Download Drive for desktop. Once the file is downloaded, open it, usually name something like Google Drive Setup, and follow the on-screen instructions to install it properly on your computer. If you're not familiar with installing the app, you can check a full guide in the description or comments where the step-by-step installation process is explained clearly. After installation, open the app and sign in using your Google account. This will sync your Google Drive with your computer. Now open File Explorer and click on this PC from the left sidebar. You'll notice that Google Drive now appears as a new drive, just like a regular disk on your system. Double-click the Google Drive icon to open it, then go to My Drive and find the large file or folder you want to download. Once you find it, right-click on the folder and select Copy, or simply press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. Next, navigate to a location on your computer where you want to save the files, such as your desktop or documents folder. Right-click inside that folder and select Paste, or press Ctrl+V. This will start transferring the files directly from Google Drive to your computer. Now just wait for the process to complete. The files will download in their original format without being compressed into zip files, which makes them easier to use right away. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.